What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. My name is Tavian. This is my world of reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So today I really want to share something that I came across. I don't honestly even remember what it was that I was searching originally to come across this, but I came across this idea that someone had for their arboreal snakes, or even semi-arboreal snakes, for their enclosures, and I really wanted to do it specifically for Tigger, my tiger rat snake, and so I have done that, and I think it looks great, and he's really enjoying it, and I really just kind of wanted to share that with you. So this isn't going to be a long video, but I definitely wanted to share it for anyone out there who might have other snakes that like to kind of hang out up top and would appreciate a more arboreal type space. So I'm going to flip this camera around so I can show you what I have going on for my boy Tigger right now. Alright, so what I wanted to show y'all is right here. So Tigger, being an arboreal snake, usually likes to hang out up top and top of trees and whatnot. And so I don't know, like I said, I don't remember what it was I was searching because it wasn't this, but I came across this as a really wonderful idea for arboreal type species to be able to hang up out top. So essentially, this is just one of those. I think I still have the sticker on it. Let me get down here and see if I do. Yeah, see, it's just one of those like Pangea reptile hide boxes. It's just a large, and what I did was I got these, what are these called, like, the mirror mounting hook thingies, which is what they're used for mounting mirrors, so mirror mounts, and I got those, and I just kind of drilled those up top to just kind of hold the base of the hides here. And I mean, you can use this for either this particular hide, or if you're a person who maybe just kind of get like kitty litter pants and converts those into hides, you can probably do it with those as well. Now, I wouldn't say this would do well for a heavy-bodied species. If you wanted to do something like this, I think you'd have to probably find something besides just the mirror mounts. You might even just have to straight drill it into the enclosure itself. But I thought this would be a fantastic idea for Tigger, and it really has been. So I got this first one in here, and I just put some like substrate in there. I might not keep that like that. Maybe I'll just end up putting some moss or something, but just thought I would add something extra in there for him. And he likes to hang out. He's been hanging up top here most of the time since I put it in. And I have one on that side, and then I was going to do one, but I decided to do a second one. This one does not have any substrate in it, but he is in this one. And let's see if I can get that to focus a little bit. There he is. So he's inside of this one. So he's been really digging these hides a lot. Like, he's been utilizing the heck out of them. So, and it's easy. I just kind of like turn the latch, pull it out, wash it out, put more substrate in, put it back in. Easy peasy. And so this one I threw it up late last night, just in the spur of deciding I wanted to do it, but I haven't put any substrate in it. I forgot. But he's still hanging up there anyway, so I'll probably take that out a little bit later and get some substrate in there just so it can match the other one and it can be on something besides just the smooth plastic. But yeah, he digs it. He has been spending 90% of his time in these. Like, he comes out to roam, especially if I open the door, he'll want to come out. But for the most part, if he's not coming down to get some water or maybe to hang out on his branches for whatever, he's hanging out in these. So really, if you have a snake that really just digs being just up high doing its thing, like, this is the way to go. Those have been really working out for me, and he's been thoroughly enjoying them, like, a lot. So, like, real talk, if that's something that could work for you, and I think it could work for various different species. It doesn't have to even just be a, particularly a tree snake, which is what this snake is. He does hang out mostly in the trees. But, any snake that is arboreal or even sometimes semi-arboreal, so might hang out up there. But like I said, heavier bodied snakes, you're going to need a bigger thing and probably something more permanent mounting, like, to actually hold it up there. I don't think those particular hooks would actually hold a heavy bodied snake. So, but that means I don't know. This is a really light snake. He's really sleek. He moves easily. He doesn't do a lot of pulling. So this is working out great for him. So, but yeah, I just wanted to share that because, I mean, if I thought it was a fantastic idea and I had never heard of it before, I figured there was other people out there who probably hadn't heard of doing this either, and it might work out for you. So just something extra, a little extra enrichment, more to add to your enclosures for your snakes that are really active and like to hang out up top and do what they do. So that's all. Just wanted to to share that. Let me know your opinions on it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if it's something that you're going to want to try with your snakes. Something if you've already known about it, if you've already heard about it, let me know about that too. Let me know if you do that. If you've got a video or pictures or something that to show how you're particularly using this design, let me know. I want to see it. So yeah, that's all. I'm not going to keep on going. Like I said, it's reasonably short video ish. You know, it's about going to be 6 minutes. So anyway, all right, y'all take care. Love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you all keep spreading those herbs.